how to use Perplexity Pro features. Just upgrade it to Perplexity Pro. Let's dive into how to make the most of your premium features. First, after asking a question, look at the modal selector above the answer. You now have access to Pro modals. Select one for more accurate, detailed, and citation-rich responses. Next, explore the Pro exclusive tools, deeper research threads, access to academic and trusted sources, and faster follow-up queries. These features help you build long-form understanding, not just one-off answers. Also, Pro members sometimes get beta access to upcoming features, so keep an eye out in your settings or homepage announcements. What's your top use case for Perplexity Pro? Drop it in the comments below. Use Pro models for complex or multi-layered questions. The detail is noticeably better. And that's how you can use Perplexity Pro features. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.